Hello crafty friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. This is Treasures of a Crafty Mind YouTube channel, and today is Clear Scraps Design Team Project Share Day, and I will have all of the links below for the products that I have used today and all of the information to the blog. You can go and check out all of my directions. I have taken photos and detailed instructions for how I put this together. Let's get into it. Okay, so for today's project, I have created a quick card folio with the Clear Scraps Shaker Ice Cream Cone. And then my last project in May was this shaker mouse head. And I also used the Simple Story Say Cheese. And I thought this would be really fun for Father's Day. It would have been perfect for graduation, birthday. I just think it's super cute. And since I did use more of a neutral paper collection, it could easily be for Father's Day. Whoops! Gosh. Here, let me make some more messes. So today I have the ice cream shaker. I have sparkled and glittered and gave it bling with sequins. I first added paper to give it more of an ice cream cone feel, right? I mean the cone itself is, a cookie. And anyway, so I glued around the frame and I went crazy with the sequins. I added a little bit of sequins here. I hit up some of my Crafty stash and found this super cute embellishment that's his favorite. And then I added the best friend sentiment with this really pretty little flower. I love to have fun, and so it says best friends have fun, and then I'm thinking favorite, like memories with the coffee and the flowers and the mason jar in the background. I love this. This was in a swap that I had done a long time ago. And then these are Maggie Holmes embellishments that I had in my stash. I have digitals, so I went ahead and resized those for this project. And then I have used 2 magnets. Open it up, and how cute to have for some memories of you and your loved one or your crafty bestie, whomever. And so on this side, I have a large corner pocket with a couple of pieces in it just to represent the pocket. And then with Clear Scraps, you can find many, many, many styles of chipboard embellishments. And for the card, I have used the Heart Kite chipboard embellishments with the Life is Better with You. Let's celebrate. You are amazing. It's your day. This could either be a card or you could mat some cute little pictures and a large picture here. And on the back, you could put a white piece of paper and do some journaling about the day that you spent with your loved one. And then here is a pocket, a large corner pocket to add some more memories. And so I've just got it where I've slipped the card in like so. And it is ready to go. I just think it's so cute. So head over to Clear Scraps website and see all of the amazing shakers that they have. If there's a project you have in mind, I can guarantee you Clear Scraps will have what you are looking for to get you on your crafty way for your next super cute project, whatever your event, theme, uh, whomever you are looking to create something for. There are even frames, there are home decor. You can get your craft on with Clear Scraps products. Thank you so much again for watching today's video. I hope this inspires you, and I will see you in my next crafty project. This is Denise Abate Smith. I'm Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and this is my new treasure, I love, love, love Clear Scraps. I am so honored to be on their design team. Thank you again for watching. Click that bell for future notifications. Thumbs up, subscribe if you are not subscribed. I would love to have you be a part of my happy crafty community, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.